This is the data analyst role at Capgemini. So what they are asking is, they are asking for a mandatory skills like Tableau, Power BI, Microsoft Azure, Databricks, PySpark, and SQL. They are mandatory skills, and they are not expecting like you need to have a tremendous experience, 0 to 1 year of experience with the skills. They are ready to go for it, and you are able to see the roles and responsibilities. If you want to apply for this kind of roles, you can join data analytic project based learning. So with that particular program, you are able to apply equivalent to 2 to 3 years of experience roles on data analytics. You can apply it. Now see, let's go through the roles. You need to perform data analysis on a field vehicle datasets to support powertrain use cases. Develop a enhanced data pipelines to extract and process required data efficiently. Well, that's the reason they're asking for PySpark skills. And that's the reason they're asking for a bit of Databricks and Azure skills. And you need to collaborate closely with data engineers and pipeline owners to ensure smooth data flow. And you need to conduct data cleaning, plausibility check, and create a gold and a silver layer for analytics. So gold and a silver layer is basically around, not you're doing ETL, but once the data is at a silver layer, a structured data, you are doing aggregations on top of that structured cleansed data, and you are storing that in a gold layer. So for that, you need to have a knowledge of PySpark, SQL, and you need to have a knowledge of Databricks. So, PySpark is basically used to analyze large data sets. SQL is to retrieve data from a data warehouses, and Databricks is where exactly you do all of this data lake concepts, where you implement PySpark within Databricks itself. You will be doing all of that within Databricks. So now having a Databricks knowledge as a data analyst is essential nowadays in 2026. And apart from it, you are doing all of them on a cloud platform like Microsoft Azure. And for visualization, they are saying, see this, apply statistical analysis techniques, means you need to have statistical knowledge, and a bit of machine learning knowledge is essential, forecasting knowledge is essential, so to survive right now in the industry, to derive insights and support decision making, and design and maintain interactive dashboards for global stakeholders. That's what you will be doing it in Power BI, or that's what you're doing it in Tableau. Now, in this particular project oriented program, you will be learning all of the skills from the scratch. You will be learning it from no coding until you develop pipelines, developing an interactive dashboards, so creating gold layers in Databricks. All of this you will be learning it. In case if you seriously want to apply for 2 to 3 year experience roles as a data analyst, yes, this is one of the best program, data analytic project based program. So like, when join this, the enrollments are already started. In case if you are new to it, the links are in the description. You can reach out to our team. They will be guiding you towards the enrolling of your seat.